Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In today's video, I am going to explain you about Stream APIs. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. I have created project name called Stream API, and here I just created Stream API package, and in this package I created stream.java class. So our class is created, and in this class main method is also created. Before going to actual coding part, I just want to explain you the Stream API. Suppose you have one collection. Streams are used to process the collection of objects. Suppose let's say this is collection 1, right? Let's say this is collection 1, and this is of let's say this is in the form of list, and in this collection, let's say we have integer type data. Okay, that means here in this collection, this entire collection has integer type, like numbers like 1, 2, 3, like this. So this collection contains integer type, and you want to convert this collection, this C1, into another collection. Let's say this is C2, and this list is also list type, and this list contains integer type elements. Now here you want to convert this collection 1 to collection 2. How can we convert? I want to add +5 to each and every element present in this collection 1, and after the result, like after we add +5 to each and every element, that result should be stored in the another collection. So obviously you will get, when you add +5 to an integer, you will obviously get an integer only, right? So for that's why this is of the type integer data type. Now here you need, in this, when you want to in between this, you need to perform map operation. Here is operation which maps each and every element that is present in the collection, right? Here you need to perform map, and what you need to perform here, like suppose the elements that are present in this C1, let's take it as some n. We need to perform every element, that is every n element, and we need to add +5 to each and every element that is present in the collection 1 list, right? Now after performing this map operation, the elements will add each and every element will be added 5, right? Now this new element will be result will be stored in collection 2. So 1 + 5 will be 6, and 2 + 5 7, and 3 + 5 8. So this 6, 7, 8 will be stored in collection 2, and if you write SYS4 statement, means for this C2 means you will get 6, 7, 8 like a list type. So this will be the output. So like streams contains different operations, like we can use map here, and we can also use filter and sorted functions. These are the 4 operations we can perform in order to convert from one collection to another, or else in order to process the collections. And you can see in streams there are 2 types. One is intermediate operations, and another one is terminate operations. Here intermediate operations are like what I said. This map is an intermediate operation. Filter is an intermediate operation. Coming to second category, that is terminate operations. These are like such as collect, for each, and for each. All these things comes under terminate operations. Here I would like to discuss you about difference between terminate and intermediate operations. First of all, let's go with intermediate operation. Intermediate operations are very lazy to perform. Like intermediate operations are dependent on terminate operations. That means if you write intermediate operations, what I told, intermediate operations are map, filter, sort. Terminate operations are collect and collect, for each, and we have many more like this. In like a terminate operations are, they will just terminate, and by the name itself you can understand they will end the program. So we can see these intermediate operations and terminate operations with the example. Let's go to our code. So now I'm going to create, I'm just taking this example like adding +5 to each number in a collection 1. So let's write the program. So I would like to take my list of integer data type and I want to name it as collection 1. Like collection 1 contains this integer data type elements, and we need to write arrays as list. Now we need to write numbers 1, 2, 3. Here you can see we need to import the list here, for that's why it's showing error. You need to import list, and you can see list was imported. Now so collection 1 is created. That means this collection was created 1, 2, 3. Now I need to create this collection and I have to store +5 elements in this collection. Like how can I create? Same, like we need to create list. We need a list of integer and C2 equal to, and here we need to perform, like we need to perform the +5 operation with these elements. These elements are stored in C1 variable, right? Now we need to create stream between them. We need to create a stream C1 dot stream dot, and we need to perform map operation, because map will always map into each and every element that is present in a collection. So map, you need to perform map, and here let's take n variable. I want to perform each and every element that present in C1 collection to add 5. So this is the like a syntax. You can take any variable here. You can even take num, or else you can even take anything, a, like that. So every element that is present in the collection 1 should be added by 5. This is the map function. Now this is intermediate operation. Now what I said, intermediate operations are dependent on terminate operations. Now we need to terminate it. That means we have to store this entire entire collection into collection 2, right? Now we need to collect these elements. For this we have a function called collect, and here we need to write collectors dot, in what kind I want to store. I want to store as list type, like to list. I want to store it in list. For that's why I'm changing to to list. And this is terminate operation, semicolon. Collect is a terminate operation and map is a intermediate operation. Intermediate operation are always dependent on terminate operation. If I just remove this one, and I just kept comma here, it will show error. Intermediate operation should definitely have terminate operation, right? So you can see the terminate operation and error was gone. Now let's print C2. we want to see C, we want C to know the elements which are added by 5. We want that collection. So this entire collection is stored in C2. We have given the variable name as C2. So let's print C2. Here we need to print. Let's save this file and let's run the code. You can see the output here, 6, 7, 8, right? So this is about the mapping operation. Streams can also be performed for strings also. If you write list, and now we are taking string type, right? String, and let's give s1 and arrays dot as list, and let's give string names as apple, banana, grapes, orange. So these are list of fruits, and I am storing this list of fruits to s1 variable. Now I want this list of fruits to be performed some operations. List string, and let's give this name as s2. Now s1 is to be performed stream operations, and now I want to perform map operation for these elements. I want to make each and every element that are present in s1 to be represent in uppercase. So map each and every element. Let's take A. Each and every element should be in uppercase. For this, there is 2 uppercase. Here you can see 2 uppercase. Now let's collect it. Collectors dot to list, semicolon, and let's print what we have to print. S2 we have to print, and let's save it. You can see in the output each and every element that is present in S1 will be represented in uppercase. You can also use 2 lowercase. Here if you remove this one and if you print 2 lowercase, like same elements will be represented. Like you can see A will be small, B will be small, like this. This is about the mapping function in strings. This is all about this video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe.